Good day everyone, I am Raven B. Mata and today I will be presenting the portfolio I developed for artificial insemination large ruminants NC2. This midterm portfolio is designed to demonstrate my capability in creating a complete training documentation package from analyzing training needs to developing a structured training plan and corresponding tools for assessment and monitoring, and also the trainees record book, and lastly the trainees progress sheet. The first part of my portfolio is the training needs analysis or the TNA. This section identifies the current competencies, skill gaps, and learning requirements of potential trainees for the artificial insemination, large ruminants, and situ qualification. So based on the survey and analysis, I found that trainees generally perform well in basic competencies like communication and teamwork. However, they need improvement in core competencies, particularly in performing artificial insemination procedures, assessing animal readiness, and maintaining semen quality. The TNA also revealed that none of the respondents had trainer's methodology or TM certification, indicating a need to enhance instructional capability and provide structured support during the training process. The second section of the portfolio is the training plan, which I developed to address the competency gaps identified in the TNA. So, this plan follows the competency-based training approach and includes detailed activities for basic competencies, common competencies, core competencies, and elective competency. So, this training plan consists the activities, the staff, the mode of training, and the methods of assessment and the time of day in which those activity will be conducted or when will it be conducted. So the third part of the portfolio is the training facilities checklist, ensures the readiness of physical environment, tools, and equipment needed for effective learning. It includes essential items such as AI kits, liquid nitrogen, tanks, microscope, lubricants, and reproductive organ models, among others. This section guarantees that the training conforms to DESTA standards and that all safety and operational requirements are met before implementation. So, the fourth part of the portfolio is the trainees record book. So, this trainees record book serves as documentation for each trainee's attendance, performance, and completed tasks. This tool helps trainers track progress, verify skills, achievement, and ensure that learning outcomes are met in alignment with the curriculum design. Lastly, the trainees progress sheet. It provides a summary of performance results and competency-based achievements. Also, it reflects each trainee's growth from initial assessment to final evaluation. And it also ensures that progress is evidence-based and well documented. So, in conclusion, this portfolio represents my work in developing a comprehensive and competency-based training system for artificial insemination large ruminants and situ qualification. It demonstrates not only the technical knowledge required for artificial insemination training, but also my ability to design, implement, and assess the program that ensures both trainee readiness and training quality. So that would be all. Thank you, and that concludes my presentation.